What's going on, guys? Chad here at MarineMax Jupiter. Today we're doing a walkthrough video on a Boston Whaler 17 Montauk. Come meet me on board. Now that we're up on the boat, first thing I want to point out, we got a beautiful glacier green hull. You have the Boston Whaler logo in black. We optioned out with the black rub rail, the black tow arch. Goes great throughout the boat. Have that black and green color scheme. You have the upgraded 115 Mercury outboard. This boat is equipped with the 4.5 seating package. With that, you get these seats back here as well as a cushion all the way forward. That's a great add-on. Very comfortable seat to sit on. You have a grab railing right here. That's on both sides. All the way back, you have 2 speakers, some JL audio speakers, 2 back and 2 off the console. You have music throughout the boat. This boat's also equipped with the fishing package, where you get the cooler off the front with the cushion on it. You get some tackle storage on the side, but paired with that, underneath the seat, we have the live well with the blue interior. So this is a great little boat to take intercoastal fishing or near coastal. And this lounger can either be, have this forward, so you can sit backwards, and there's about 4 positions you can put it in. You can also have it angled this way, have a little bit more back support. You can go back a little farther. That way you're sitting at the helm. Well, I'll show you for example. So you can either have it straight up or lean back. Lean back gives you a little bit more leg space. So for electronics, we have your Simrad GPS, your JL audio. In the Simrad, you're gonna get your GPS, fish finder, all the necessities. You have a Mercury gauge right here, so you're gonna get your RPMs and some stats on the engine. Some of the main switches you're gonna need from your horn, bilge pump, and your navigation lights. You have a cup holder right here, as well as 2 more cup holders on top of the console, some phone chargers. You have a port right here for your 360 white light, for your navigation. So working forward, you can see the cooler I mentioned before with the fishing package. So you have your 70-quart igloo cooler, cushion on top, a cushion backrest with 4 rod holders. Great for people who love fishing. Even if you don't like fishing, this makes another great seat. You get 2 cup holders on both port and starboard around this seat as well. No matter where you're sitting on the boat, you're gonna have some sort of cup holders. This boat is pre-rigged to receive a trolling motor. You see the electronic plate right there. So this doesn't have the high railing, so you can't put that trolling motor mounted up forward. And this has the cushion that I mentioned before. Makes a great sun pad. Underneath it, you're gonna have some storage. Snap down, undo those snaps. 2 latches to undo when you're on a gas spring. So you have an insulated cooler. Wouldn't be a bad spot for dock lines. You fit a couple fenders down there, maybe some bags. All the way forward, underneath this cushion, you have your anchor locker. So this, what I want to show you, you have your anchor in here. There's a little hole right here where you can actually feed that anchor line off, and you can pleat it right here and have it fed through this. So that way when you're pulled up to the sandbar or anchored up fishing, you have a nice controlled system. If you want to come see this boat, swing by MarineMax Jupiter, and don't forget to ask for Chad.